Yeah, good morning, everyone. So we are seeing a positive trend emerging across the board, both international and domestic. We had seen a very sharp bounce back on Friday, uh, indicating more of a reversal of trend. And also, if we see the US market, it was positive, and the futures are also positive, and Asian markets are also indicating positive trend. What we had seen in the commodity also, most of the commodities are showing positive trend, wherein oil is up by almost around $1.5, aluminum up by $1, 1%, and also copper is up by 1%. Iron ore and steels are flattish in Chinese market today morning. Uh, the dollar index, which was moving up consistently on Friday, saw a sharp up move, and from the level of 106.5, it reached to almost 108, and then we saw a sharp correction also thereafter. So currently it is though higher than the Friday same time rate of around 106.56. Now it is at around 106.8. But what we see that there is a sharp corrections from the peak during the Friday trade, which indicate that there could be some reversal over there also. So we had seen dollar index moving up from 103 to 108, and consistently we were seeing sell-off by FI in the emerging market, and this trade quite possible can arrest for some time or can restrict at higher level or may see some corrections. So that is positive for emerging market, including India. So overall, what we see that market is showing a very sharp up move. So yesterday also it moved up very sharply, and again from there, such a sharp move may not be able to sustain at higher level. But anyhow, direction is positive. So even if we see some corrections from top level, it can become an opportunity. Uh, Now request technical team to take up from here.
Yes, thank you, sir. Good morning, all of you. This is Swati. Today, the market is likely to open with a gap up opening, and we are likely to witness some up move rally in the market. Last week, we have seen that the Nifty managed to take a very strong support of 23,200 levels, and from there onwards, we have seen a very good bounce back rally towards its 20 days moving average, which comes to at around 24,000 levels. Friday, we have seen a closing about 23,900, which gives a positive indication on the technical front. Going ahead for the today intraday purpose, the first resistance is placed at around 23,300 levels. Any move above that level will stretch this rally up to 24,500, 24,600 levels. Whereas on the downside, the immediate support is placed at around 23,600. If it's break that level, then only we can witness some sort of a profit booking, or say a selling pressure can be triggered, which might take an Nifty towards to 23,440. As of now, the view will remain positive. Bounce back rally is likely to be continued in the coming few days as well, for a target of 24,600 levels on the high sides. Coming towards the bank Nifty, 51,400 is the first resistance level. Above that level, 51,720, 52,160 can be seen. Whereas the support is placed at around 50,640 and 50,300. Stock specific, Nazara really looks good, positive on the technical front. Upside, we're looking for a target of 955 to 960. Stock is well placed above all the important moving averages. It's on the verge of giving the cluster resistance breakout. So the technical parameters are really positive on this particular counter. So one can take a long positions by maintaining a strict stop loss of 910. That's it from my end. I requested you to team to take a call forward.
Yeah, thank you. Good morning, everyone. So on the derivatives front, as we have seen that Nifty almost recovered from its major supportive zone of 23,300 level. As we mentioned in yesterday previous session also, that 23,300 will act as important support zone. Below that, only new short need to be created and strong pullback will be seen in the market above its resistance zone. Nifty's resistance zone was at 23,800 level, and it gave closing above that level only, due to which we are seeing that more momentum on the buying front can be witnessed. In today's session, also we are seeing that Gift Nifty is likely to open almost around 400 points. So for the next resistance zone where we are seeing that the quarter positions are getting added on is at 24,500 level. In today's session, almost Nifty is likely to open near 24,300 levels. So more 150 200 point movement can be visible on the Nifty in next 1 to 2 day of a trading session. While PCROI closed at 1.19 level, it closed at a strong zone above 1.08 level. The support for the PCR will be at 1.08 level. For the intraday front, the Nifty support will lie at 24,100 level. Once if Nifty goes below 24,100 level, then we might see again some sort of profit booking. But as per current scenario, new long position can be holded with the support of 24,100 level. While on the stock specific front, banking IT looks positive. From selective counter will be Coforge, LTIM looks positive. Another counter that looks positive will be Aurora Realty and MGL. These four counter looks positive in today's day of trading session. So that's it from Value Different. Thank you.
Good morning. Just a business update on Alcargo Gati Limited based on our institutional conference held last week. So, Alcargo had acquired 47% stake in Gati Limited in April 2020, and since then, the organization is undergoing restructuring, including divestment of subsidiaries and unrelated businesses, and also sale of land and buildings and significant reduction in debt. So all of this is will result in an asset light approach to Alcargo's core business going forward, and the company aims to grow 10% faster than the industry's expected growth rate of 12%, which means capturing more market share and increasing overall revenue per customer. While the GDP growth has been strong, but logistics sector overall has not kept pace with the overall economic development, and the rise of e-commerce has slowed down after an initial boom during COVID period. Despite this, the company believes that it is well positioned for future upcoming growth. We hold neutral view to Alcargo stock. That's it from me. Thank you.
Yeah, because of the Maharashtra win of the BJP alliance government, the risk to the Dharavi project for Adani has reduced, and that can support the prices of Adani Enterprises. No doubt, they are facing risk in the US market because of the case of bribery in case of Adani Green company. So this may have some positive impact in today's trade. Apart from that, Prakash Industries has said that they had signed the coal mining agreement, and now they are ready to take out the coal from the mine. This mine was allotted to them around 3 4 years back, and now the process is complete. And now they can start mining. So maybe in the next quarter they can take out first coal from that. And company had said that they will be benefiting both from captive consumption and also commercial selling, as this mine is also commercially they can sell this coal to in the open market. So this can act as positive for Prakash Industries. The valuations are also historically also reasonable. No doubt, currently we are seeing some pressure on the steel prices, and that can have some negative impact in the near term in the results. But considering this positive impact, quite possible that the company can benefit in the bit longer term. So outlook for Prakash Industry is positive from this perspective. And I'll request commodity team to take up from here.
Yes, sir. Thank you very much. Good morning, everyone. So in today's session, one can buy gold and silver on dips. Gold we recommend to buy around 77,300 with a stop loss of 77,000. Sign of cautiousness if prices are closing below 77,000. Else again the prices are expected to pull back till 77,700, 77,900 on the upside. And in silver, we are expecting prices to test 90,200, whereby one can initiate a buy with a stop loss of 89,200 for the target 91,500 to 92,000. In copper, we are expecting a pullback after the correction on Friday. So one can buy with a stop loss of 812, and on upside again 820, 824 is the level where one can book profits. Also zinc, we are expecting prices to test 284, 285 on the upside. So buying around 282 with a stop loss of 280 is recommended. And aluminum also one can initiate a buy. Prices are expected to trade positive above 245. So buying on dips with a stop loss of 244 is recommended. On upside, 250, 252 is the level where one should book profits. And crude oil, one can initiate a buy around 59.70 with a stop loss of 59,000, 5,900. And on upside again, 6070, 6120 is the level where one could take profits. In natural gas, a gap up opening is expected. So buying with a stop loss of 258 is recommended. On upside again, 278, 280 is the level where one can expect profit breaking. Also, one should be cautious around 280 levels. So for trading purpose, one can strictly sell with a stop loss of 293, and again on downside 270 to 68, one can book profits. So that's it from us. Thank you very much.